Drugs that we have cigarette, a few cases of bangi. We are glad that the government is on board assisting our schools to control these menace.
Kibra sub-county, we have a lot of drugs. We have a lot of illicit brews. Kuna changa mingi sana. And that one, and also there's a lot of school dropouts. Like within Kibra sub-county, even if you walk today, you will realize that you will find a lot of youth who are idling around. Actually, when it comes to cases, especially for the learners, we have as early as 12, between 12 and 17.